So, welcome to our series of computer-aided engineering drawing through AutoCAD. So, first topic will be our projection of points. In that, let us solve the first problem. So, in order to solve the first problem, I have drawn the XY line here. Okay. So, first point is A 20 mm in front of VP and 30 mm above HP. In front of VP and above HP means it is a first quadrant. So first quadrant means it will be first. Let us type X and Y, VP and HP. Okay, so after writing VP and HP, so we'll come out of the text command. Sorry. So HP. Okay. So now we came out of the command. So now the point A is 20 mm in front of VP. So in front of VP means it will come below the XY line. So let us type 20. Now come out of this and let us draw one more line which is 30 mm above HP. So 30 mm above HP. 30, type 30 and press enter. Now in order to come out, you can either press escape or right click enter. So I'll press escape. Now we need to show the points. So in AutoCAD we don't have a separate point command. So instead of that you have a donut. So if you press demo in the command prompt, donut will come. So donut, it is asking what is it inside diameter, you give 0. So outside diameter you give 2, and wherever you want points you just click on. So I want point here and here, so I am going to click once here and once again here. Okay, after completing, press escape. Okay, so we have drawn the point. Now let us do the dimensioning. So dimensioning, you can use the linear dimensioning command, and from this point to this point, so to show 30. Similarly, from this point to this point. From this point to this point, showing 20. Okay, so now we need to show the points top view and front view. This will be the top view. So top view we have to give the small letter A, and front view small letter A and a prime. So if any more modification has to be done, you can just drag it. Okay, so to make it fit, so you can use the zoom extends command. Okay, so now we have finished the first point. Second point will be the point B, which is 30 mm in front of VP and is in HP. Is in HP means there is two possibilities. That is, in front of VP there will be only first and fourth quadrant. In front of VP, first and fourth quadrant. So on HP means it can be either first quadrant or fourth quadrant. So we have already written VP and HP, let it be there. And now we will mark the points, that is 30 mm in front of VP. That means we will mark below the XY line at 30 mm. Okay, we have marked 30 mm below XY line. So another point, see we are now since the point B is in HP, we are going to get the point on the XY line. So now let us use the donut here. So donut 0 mm, 2 mm, and click on 2 points. You are going to get here donut. Okay. So now we can write down the text command. So this is B. This is B dash. So now we have drawn the 2 points. Another 3 points are there. Let us take a C to 20 mm behind VP and below HP. Behind VP and below HP means it's a third quadrant. So let us type here the HP and VP. Now how much mm behind VP? That is 40 mm behind VP. So we'll represent in HP. That is 40 mm and 20 mm below HP. 20 mm below HP. So again use the donut command and mark the points. So here the difference is the point C will be at the top, means top view will be at the top view will be above the XY line and the front view will be below the XY line. Okay, so next again on VP below HP. On VP below HP means it can be third or fourth quadrant. On VP below HP means it is third or fourth quadrant. Since we have already written third quadrant as HP and VP, so let us draw the line. Let us draw the line. So what they have given on VP below HP. So 30 mm. So again use the donut. Mark the points as D and D dash. Okay, here the text has been rotated, so we'll rewrite it. This one will be, so after clicking here you have to press enter. Rotation angle must be 0, so that you'll get a C and a C dash. Okay, so last one will be point E, that is 30 mm behind VP and on HP. 30 mm behind VP on HP means, behind VP on HP means second or third quadrant. Second or third quadrant. So third quadrant we already have here. So we are going to type this as 30 mm above the X5. So just what you need to do is, whenever they have given some information in VP, so you have to write in HP, and HP you have to write in VP. Now mark the donuts. After that, so you need to mark as now if at all we want to type since they have asked us, also state the quadrant in which they lie. So let us come out of this. As we are right here, multi-line text. Here you can type text in multi-lines. So the point A lies in first quadrant. Point B lies in first or quadrant. Point C is in third quadrant. Point D is in third or fourth quadrant. Point D is in on VP below HP. Yes. So last one will be second or okay. So this is about the first problem. Thank you.